Meet CARTO AI agents. Deliver more autonomous decision-making seamlessly integrated across your CARTO experience. With these agents, your map users can ask natural language questions and receive instant automated insights. Getting started is simple. Organization admins can enable AI agents in your CARTO settings, selecting which LLMs are available to users and ensuring your agents are powered only by trusted models. Once activated, editors can enable AI agents in any builder map. From the AI panel, you can configure your agent by adding information about its use case, instructions on how it should behave, what it can and cannot help with, and the types of prompts and responses it's designed to handle. You can also add specific tools, including MCP tools, to expand its capabilities. Any workflow can now be configured as an MCP tool, giving your agent the ability to execute them directly. Each workflow can include a description, specific inputs and parameters, and expected outputs. Once created, these MCP tools are available via the CARTO MCP server, not only through your builder agents, but also in external platforms like Claude, ChatGPT, and Google Gemini Enterprise. Back in Builder, your new MCP tool is immediately available for your agent to use, and you can refine your prompt so it knows when and how to call it. You can also allow your agent to query data sources and choose from your approved set of models for different tasks. To make the experience smoother for your users, you're able to add an introduction and starter prompts, guiding them towards the kinds of questions your agent can answer. With everything configured, your map is ready to share, and your AI agent is live for end users. By putting this power in everyone's hands, including analysts, decision makers, and field teams, CARTO AI agents make geospatial insights more accessible than ever before. You save time, empower your teams, and unlock the full potential of your data. Want to go further? Explore the CARTO Academy for hands-on tutorials and best practices with AI agents.